Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix voicemail not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search voicemail app from here. Scroll down and search voicemail. Click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache voicemail, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, click on general management and click on reset. Scroll down and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.